Hello and welcome to this practice exam. My name is TALHA YASEEN and I'm your IELTS practice examiner. So let's begin. What's your full name?
My full name is Noor Fatma.
How may I address you?
You may address me as a Noor.
And where are you from, Noor?
Basically, I'm from Corona Listen, but currently I'm living in Lahore due to my IELTS preparation exam.
Okay, at the beginning of IELTS test, you would be required to provide an ID or passport. But as this is just a practice exam, you don't need to provide any ID or passport.
Sure, sir.
In this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you questions about yourself. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I have a lot of hobbies, but one of my favorite hobby is traveling because it gives me a chance to explore different worlds and experience different cultures. So that's it.
Okay. Do you think hobbies should be shared with other people?
In my perspective, I share my hobbies with my friends. I love curriculum activities, so I give suggestion to my friends to participate curriculum activities.
Did you have a hobby as a child?
Yes, when I was 16 years old, I had a hobby. I love to paint anything, any sort of pictures to explore my qualities.
What hobbies are popular in your country?
Well, there are various hobbies in my country, but mostly are coin collections and painting and drawing. And
Why do you think people have hobbies?
when someone has a leisure time, they spend their time to to explore something. So that's why hobbies is important. Yeah.
This is the end of part 1. Now we are in part 2 of IELTS examination. In this part, I'll give you a cue card and you'll have 1 minute to prepare it. You can take notes if you want, and then you have to speak on it for 2 minutes.
So, so
This is your cue card and this is the pencil. You can take notes, and your topic is describe an online video in which you learned something new. Start.
nowadays we are living in a digital or modern era, so there are a lot of videos to we learn how to prepare, how to cook meal. Basically I'm living in a hostel. I cook my meal myself. So therefore I gave advice to my sister, could you give me any channel that related to the drinks, so that we could easily prepare in my daily routine, because of nowadays we are busy schedule. Then she recommended me a channel that name was Master Cooking. So I watched a video that is related to a drink that name was a smoothie. In hostel, I watched on first Ramadan. Then I remember I had no condensed milk, so though I made a plan with my friends to go to go mall and purchase condensed milk. Then after came back, I prepared a smoothie in aftari time. After that. I also gave to after I also give strength to my friends, and they asked me, could you send me a video? Then I also send my friends, and they gave me a good reviews to this video. So I think so I learned from this uh, a lot of how to prepare a drink.
Okay, this is the end of part 2. Give me pen and the cue card. Thank you. Now, let's move on to the part 3, and that is follow-up question. I'll ask you a few questions and you have to answer. Do you think online learning will replace face-to-face learning?
In my opinion, online learning only replace the face-to-face learning, because the most recently incident that occurred in Pakistan, that was coronavirus. In this duration, mostly teaching staff replaced their teaching on online rather than face to face. So I think so. Due to this, a lot of the learners prefer online learning rather than physical learning.
Okay. What are the advantages of online learning?
There are various advantages of online learning. Firstly, that YouTube is one of the biggest online learning app through which we can learn any sort of a video at any time. And so that's why, and know any and just like I want to speak English fluently, so I learned my English language online rather than face to face.
Why are so many young people obsessed with short videos?
Because of short videos in which time is short, and people easily gain attention in short videos rather than long videos. So most of the creators make short videos to gain any attention of viewers.
Okay. Do you think people spend too much time watching short videos?
I think it depends on circumstances or situations. Sometimes people watch short videos due to busy schedule, but sometimes where people watch long videos due to they acquire more information about any sort of subjects or fields.
Okay. Are there many people who watch online videos a lot?
Yes, just like we are studying in a university, so most of the people prefer to learn any sort of anything in YouTube rather than on a physical. So that's why people learn anything in online.
Okay. What kind of videos are most popular in your country?
In my country, in my country, there are most popular videos are family vlogging. In my country, most of the people like family vlogging because of they acquire from other people's life and they want to copy them.
Okay, this is the end of IELTS speaking test. You did very well. You were good at fluency and grammar, etc. But in the first part of IELTS speaking practice test, you made a few mistakes related to grammar, but these can be overcome easily if you work a bit more. If you continue to practice, you can get good bands.
Yes.